This is a very quick tutorial on how to stabilize scanned film using DaVinci Resolve, which you can freely download from blackmagicdesign.com, using the Planar Tracker from the Fusion tab within DaVinci Resolve. First, we open the media files from the Media tab and navigate to the hard disk, which contains my scanned film. In my case, these are single image, still image sequences. I'm going to change the clip properties for this clip because DaVinci Resolve doesn't know at which frame rate it's supposed to be handled, and it was shot at 18 frames per second, so I'm going to set that. I'm switching to the Edit tab then and dropping the clip on a new timeline, cutting off anything at the beginning that I don't want, and then switch to the Fusion tab. Right click, add tool, and add a planar tracker, which will not be connected in the node view. You can drag the planar tracker using the shift key onto the line that connects the media in and media out nodes, and it will go in between. Then I'm setting the parameters for the planar tracker. For me, what works best is hybrid point area and translate, and then you draw the actual tracking area onto the sprocket hole, and then you can start the tracking. You need to set the reference point, and then you can start tracking. It will follow the sprocket hole. You need to take care that the tracking area does not cover too much of the actual content of the film itself, or it will start tracking that and not the sprocket hole anymore. So it needs to be like really sharp on the sprocket hole. You can zoom in and out, pressing Control and using the mouse wheel. I'm gonna stop the tracker for now for this demonstration. And then you have to switch the context of the tracker to stabilize and deselect rotation and zoom, because we didn't track rotation and zoom, and then apply the actual tracking data to the image, and that's it basically. If you switch back to the Edit tab, you can press play. You can see that the outside edge of the image is moving and not the sprocket hole anymore. So that means that the image is stabilized. In this example, the external hard disk was a bit slow, so it's kind of lagging the picture. You probably want to switch to the color tab and scale the image to the actual export format aspect ratio, which is not really suited. In this case, full HD does not really work well for standard 8 film. In any case, I'm going to use that now and changing to the delivery tab and exporting it in the desired format and compression.